In this video, I'll show you the way that you turn on notifications on Podimo. If you want the Podimo platform to send you push notifications or even email notifications when something new or something new releases, in this video, let me show you the steps. Let's head over to the app of Podimo and tap on your profile icon on the top right. Head over to settings. Now the easiest way to turn on the notifications is make sure you toggle on both of these options. The first one is push notifications. You'll get notified about new episode, user interactions and recommendations. So based on your genres that you listen to, you'll get new recommendations or when new podcasts or new episodes are added in. Secondly, you can also turn on email notifications so that you'll stay updated or receive any special offers that are available in the promotional period of the Podimo platform. So make sure you toggle these options on so that you are updated on both of those sections. The push notifications, which is the in-app notifications that you get on the top, as well as the email notification that you get on your email service provider that is linked with the Podimo platform. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's all for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.